Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chelsea, and if you like seeing this face, feel free to subscribe down below, and then if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So today, I can see I'm like fresh faced, clean faced, no makeup on, but that's not the point. Today I'll be actually trying out the highlight and contour palette of IBY Beauty. I've tried it before, but I thought like, let me just film a video and then you guys tell me if it actually looks good or if it works. And if you have tried it, let me know. It's always nice to get like real feedback. So you can see like my face is all dull. I'm quickly gonna beat my face. I'll be back and then we're gonna try this little baby. So this is the final look. I don't know, like it's kind of weird because I don't usually do a highlighting and contouring, but if you like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you've used the IBY Beauty and Highlight Contour Palette, please let me know and know how it worked for you. As you can see, I mostly just use like highlighter number 3 and contouring number 3 because that just goes better with my skin tone. You know, like with my skin tone you can't always use any color, so you gotta be very cautious of the color you use. But if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.